Okay, quick shed video on the GS1000 this time. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice too. And what I need to do, well, what I want to do is grease the, I'll think of it in a minute, clutch cable. There you go. So what I've done so far is taken off the lock nut in there, and I've started winding this back in, the adjuster bolt, which should give me plenty of slack at the top here. Just zoom in. So first thing I want to do is turn these so they all line up somewhere there, and then take as much cable as you got, and as you let go, try and pull it back with you, which you get this back sheath hopefully out of it. There's nearly there. There's a bit more, just see if I've got any more adjustment down the bottom. Yeah, I had about 4 more turns down there. I'll just try all that again. Just not getting it. Oh, I'm not getting that. They're all lined up. There's a lot of room with the choke pin in the way. There we go. Come on. There it goes. That's that out. Yeah, it does feel quite dry, so I'll get the chain lube and the device that goes on there to hopefully squirt it in the right direction. Okay, couldn't actually find the actual cable oil, so big hole that end, tiny hole that end, and then you put the cable through like so. Pan you back a bit. So yes, big hole, little hole. Put the cable through like that, and then this whole thing clamps down on the cable. It doesn't clamp as tight as it should do, but with a little bit of persuasion. So that's clamped on there. You can see it's clamped around the body of the cable sleeve, and then this end with the small hole in clamps on the actual cable, and then these two rubbers here, you put your straw from whatever oil you're using, or grease should I say, in there, and it should squirt it down there. I did have some proper stuff, proper cable oil, but all I'm going to use is a bit of white lithium. And this does also have a habit of not sealing properly, so you end up with shitloads everywhere. And yep, started to come out down the bottom here. So just push that gaiter back on, take the clamp off the cable. There you go. One freshly greased cable. Just got to have a fight getting it back in now. Bitch. Of course, now it's been oiled, it's a little bit greasy. There we go. Take up some of the adjustment here. Lock off that one. There's nothing there at the moment, so need to adjust it down the bottom, which is just a matter of winding that bolt out. And then checking the clutch, see how much free play you got. Not a lot. Give it a little bit more. Probably some in there. It feels alright. Just double check that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Can definitely feel the difference in that. We'll take a little bit more of that slop out down the bottom. Right, so I've taken all the slop out. There's about 5 mil before you actually pull in the clutch, but that has lost all its graunchiness. Yeah, that's nice. And the reason I take most of my adjustment up down the bottom near the clutch housing is because it's easier on the fly to move this adjuster. Just to take the lock bolt off and then wind the actual adjuster out a bit if you need to take any more up, but that's so it's about 5 mil there, and then you're pulling the clutch. But yes, that's beautiful. So I've just got to pinch up. Just got to pinch up the lock nut in there, which is a 12 mil. That's it. Don't take the greatest amount to lock it up. You don't want to go stripping threads and that. Well, you might want to. If it's your bike, you do what you want with it. But that is a nice smooth clutch. Very nice. And there you go. That's how I grease my cables. I will get some proper cable grease rather than that lithium stuff. I think that is just slightly too thick maybe. Yeah, I'll get some proper cable oil and give that a flush through, but at the moment that is beautiful. GS clutch cable oiled, ready for action.